Oh, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Oh, 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 sorry, I didn't. Are we doing part 2 already? Oh well, hello everyone. This is Siren Rare, South Carolina here, bringing you another Tornado Star Madness reaction. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the requested episodes on most. So let's do it. Oh, he's asleep. Oh, dang! Oh, he got hit by lightning. Oh, he's activated. Come on, 2001, you're waking up the residents. I apologize if it's dark right here, but I have a light on. I have the computer light on right here. Next morning. Ooh, they're tired.
Swap. What? Where's the cereal?
Oh, Thunder, are you okay? Thunder Flakes.
Oh, good tea. Thunder Flakes. Now, where's the cereal bowl? Oh, there's one.
No.
Hey, what the heck is going on with you guys?
Yeah, what the heck is going on with you guys?
We're really tired because you kept us up all night. Jerk.
Do you say
I tried
jerk?
to make breakfast, but my cereal bowl threw the cereal into my face. I'm not your cereal bowl, Thunderbolt. I'm T128, the tornado siren. You poured your cereal into my face. Idiot. I am not an idiot. 2001 is.
So just so you, this is a just so you know thing. These first two requested episodes that they did as when my channel name was still Uranium Force 9000. So
Couldn't turn off until it was morning.
I couldn't control it.
Until 1 in the morning.
I got hit by lightning last night. I tried to shut down, but my timer was stuck. Eventually the tornado siren dudes came and turned me off. Then they swapped my timer. Good as new.
At least.
Oh, okay, fine. At least you're fixed.
Yep, at least. Alright, so I'm doing something new here. This time I'm gonna give my opinion. So I don't know what's with it. I mean, literally. I will just say this. Originally, I asked him if he could make it to where they two were drunk. Then he told me I do not approve of drunkenness in my channel, and I said all right. So he did this Tire Tornado Sirens, and next should be Tempest Killer. Or
this is Broken Solar Panel, and
this
I
the
am
Tornado
about to
Warning.
make a Tornado Siren Madness episode based on a suggestion by Uranium Force 9.
There, that was my old channel name. So around Tire Tornado Sirens in this episode is when my channel was still that. And you can see that icon I had of Norfolk Southern SD40H2 high hood. I like that, but I ended up deleting it. But
1000. He said I should include a P-10 in my next episode.
that photo does not
I
belong to me.
And said I haven't drawn one yet, but soon after that, I drew one. It looks like this.
There's P-10.
Okay, let's start the episode.
The Penetrator 10. If you haven't noticed, Penetrator 10 is basically Alerter's body type, but he got rid of the big toilet head of Alerter, and he actually drew a P-10 head. So this is the tornado warning, isn't it? Oh, hold on a second.
It looks like we're in for a storm.
Hello? I do not have the time, P-10. Later, okay? Alright. My apologies, that was Penetrator 10. He for some reason called me. He said, do you have time to play Super Snerby Bros? But I told him I don't have the time, so...
Oh crap. It's a tornado. I better warn everyone.
That tornado looks like an AF1 if you ask me, P-10. I do not own the audio, I do not own the videos. All of it belongs to the original owners. So please don't copyright me. Look at the tornado though, it looks really dangerous. And by the way, that's an old audio recording. So, yeah, it's one long video, but it's just a 2-minute video, but, yep.
Shut up, Penetrator 10. I will not punch you in the face.
Ow.
Oh yeah? I will not barf in your face.
Barf!
B. I'm going back up.
Alright, get out of here, tornado.
Well, the tornado is come.
Now let me go. So that was the end of that. So the next episode we have here is Tempest Cola. Now, Tempest Cola, I came up with Tempest Cola. I mean, I thought to myself, why not make a drink for Tornado Siren Man? And then I said, Thunder Water. I was like, no, and I said, Tempest Cola sounds great. And now Tempest Cola is like famous. I mean, seriously. I mean, every time when I talk to my friends, they're like, do you want a Tempest Cola? Heck, even someone named, Minty, I think is her name, made a Tempest Cola from a Pepsi. And I did the exact same thing. So, let's continue. So far, 8 minutes has passed. I think this is gonna be just these 3 for now, and then I'm gonna do the rest in part 3 and part 4.
I am very thirsty after sounding from that tornado warning. I will go watch TV.
There's Lurder's first appearance.
Are you tired of sounding all day? Then stop by Snerby Bros and get a Tempest Cola.
There's Tempest Cola.
Oh my. A soda named after me. I will get one.
Ooh, ow.
Excuse me. Wait, do I know you? Get out of my way. And here it is.
Snerby Mart.
Snerby Mart.
It's so funny how he darted in. ATI's new
What
voice.
would you like?
Tempest Cola, please.
Okay. That would be $9.95.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Back at T128 spot.
Time to drink.
Oh my goodness, what? Oh!
Say, what do you say? Nothing.
Now, that hey, what do you say thing is actually based off me and my cousin, because most of the time I will burp in front of her and she's like, what do you say? And I'm like, nothing. Anyways, let's continue. What? I told you, P-10, I don't have the time. Ugh. Alright. Jeez. I'll see you then. I think I know what wasted my time. P-10. Because, he loves to call me, if you know what I mean. So I guess this was part 2. I'll do part 3 later. So, I'll see you guys later.